This is a quarter note, and this is a half note. Quarter notes get one beat. I asked my assistant Finn if he knew what a beat was, and he said the space between the taps is a beat. That is a pretty good answer. Let's pretend that this box is a certain amount of time, one music beat. Now we have two music beat boxes that are the same size. Now we have three music beat boxes. And now we have four music beat boxes. The boxes are all the same size, but we still don't know how much time is in each of them. If we tap at the beginning and then tap again, we finally get to know how long that beat was. Those boxes are all the same size, so if we tap for each beat, the taps have to be all the same. Let's tap through the boxes now. Tap, 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 tap. Now, back to our quarter note. Quarter notes have one beat, so we can put a quarter note in each of those music beat boxes. Even when quarter notes don't have music beat boxes around them, they have one beat apiece. Let's tap very evenly and say 1 for each quarter note now. Ready? Go. 1, 1, 1, 1. Here is our half note. It has two beats, so we have to tap 2 times before moving to the next half note. Tap, stay, tap, stay. Now let's tap again for those 2 half notes, but say 1, 2 as we touch the half note. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Music beats may be a little hard to understand now. Just remember that quarter notes get one beat. If you are tapping, you move to the next quarter note with each tap. Half notes each get 2 music beats. If you are tapping, you stay with each half note for 2 taps.